State of the Thunder Zone. Number 14. The Dirt Lip's back, baby. Let's just call this fucking program State of the Dirt Lip Zone from now on. Is that alright? Fucking State of the Dirt Lip Zone. Number 14. Got some taxidermy behind me. Who fucking cares anymore, man? What do I want to talk about today, man? What do I want to talk about? Here, let me get a little self-indulgent with you guys today. Is that alright? I know only like a couple hundred people of that are listening, so let me get a little fucking self-indulgent. Listen, it's Juice Boy. I've been doing this shit for 11 motherfucking years, alright? Too much of a nerd for the rock and rollers, too weird for the rap kids, too aggressive for the dance music enthusiasts. That's my life. That's been Juicebox, you know? How many motherfuckers out there have toured with Public Enemy and Narwhals of Sound? How many? One person. I'm the only person who has toured with both Public Enemy and Narwhals of Sound. What's that worth? Do you even know who Narwhals is? Listen, if you motherfuckers don't know who Narwhals is, turn this off. Do some Google searches, .com and shit.org. We're talking true American heroes here, people. But truthfully, you know, that's Juice Boy. I've been fucking slipping through the cracks for 11 years, you know? Fucking riding hard on that one-way track deep in the Thunder Zone. That's just been me. Listen, I'm getting self-indulgent right now. I'm talking about my life. I'm talking about my career, okay? I've been out there. I've been doing whatever it takes. Whatever feels right for me, you know? Like, and a lot of times, listen, I'm a white rapper. That's not cool. That's never been cool, okay? So I don't do this to be cool. I don't do this for any other reason that it's what's in my heart. Sometimes things get really dark for me. Sometimes I look at myself in the goddamn mirror and I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with my goddamn life. By the way, that phrase, that's copywritten. That's trademarked. The I don't know what the fuck I'm doing with my goddamn life, that's Juice Boy. I own that phrase. You can't fuck with that phrase. That's all I got. Alright? But regardless of any of that shit, I'm doing this because it's what feels right. I'm vlogging. I'm looking like an insane human being to you guys because that's what I want to do and that's what I feel like doing. All you kids out there, if you're doing music, you gotta look yourself in the fucking mirror and say, I'm doing this because it's in my fucking heart and I won't stop because it's in my fucking heart. That's not to say, but I'm not saying, but I'm just saying, okay? Fuck! Public Enemy and Narwhals of Sound. Who's done that? Who's done that? Just Juice Boy. I can fucking die knowing that I'm the only human being who will ever tour with Public Enemy and Narwhals of Sound, okay? All you rock and rollers looking at me like, who the fuck is this nerd boy? Guess what, man? This nerd boy is fucking taking things to the next level and there's nothing you can do about it. State of the Thunder.